Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this Yoga for a Rainy Day series. Let's get started in a comfortable seated position and close the eyes. Hands come into prayer position, a long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's rest the hands down, connect in with your breath, your body, your mind, and then allow yourself a long, deep breath in. And as you exhale, let's open the eyes. We're going to release the neck first. Drop your head over to one side and let the shoulder drop. Allow yourself a moment, and then let's really take all of the tension that's in the neck and the shoulders. Feel that melting away. Feel the connection through the whole spinal axis, through any tension that might be stored in the shoulders. Melting, releasing. Very good. Let's prepare to switch the sides. Drop it on over to the other side. Easy does it, moving the shoulder and the ear away from each other. Finding those delicate spots where everything can release. Melting, releasing, no stress. One more breath. That's good. Come back to the center and just kind of lightly move the head and the neck around. Very good. Now, let's slowly move our way into the pigeon pose. You might want to keep the blanket nearby in case we get a little cold as we move into pigeon. We'll start off with the left side and then slide that right leg back. Roll gently over. If we need to take support from the block, we can place the block underneath that underneath that left hip. And again, since we're having that rainy day vibe, let's get nice and cozy. We can take the bolster and create a little pillow and then settle gently in. Allow yourself a few moments just to really drop down. Let it be easy, no force. Observe the hips, make sure the knee is safe, make sure the body is safe, and then let everything go that's ready to release. We'll stay for about 5 more breaths, so let the breaths be deep and harmonious. Just a few more breaths. After the last breath, let's inhale and come on up. Stay here for a moment and gently rise up. Now reach back behind you. You can keep the blanket on if that's comfy for you. Slowly reach back and let's lightly hold on to that right foot. Just take a moment and settle in. Maybe even turning and flipping the grip a little bit, or just resting the foot in the elbow nook. We'll hold it right there. Wait a moment, wait for your quadricep to talk to you. And we'll just kind of lean into it. Good, lean into it without stressing, forcing. Just be there. Nice. One more breath. And let's let it go. Good. Roll into the left hip. Switch the legs. Easy does it. Let's glide that left leg back. Covering up again. And this time maybe we want to switch the head resting position. Notice that one hip might be a little tighter than the other. Totally okay. Allow yourself a moment to kind of snuggle in, settling through the hips, through the legs, through the whole body. Let everything go. No rush, no force. Let's stay for 5 more breaths. With each exhalation, dropping you deeper down. And then slowly come on back to the center. Gently coming up onto that right arm. Reach back with the left and find that elbow nook to start. Maybe that's enough as you just kind of lean into it. Nice, easy, no force. And maybe turning forward, just kind of find the quadriceps. Find the quadricep, that's it. Stay there. Breathe, no force. Very good. And let's let that go. We're going to slide the right knee forward and we're going to turn around. Let's find constructive rest position. So we're going to put the sacrum on the ground and draw the knees in towards each other. Staying with that cozy vibe, we can get underneath the blanket and then that feeling of release through the back muscles, the feeling of release. That's good. After you settle in for a moment, let's bring the feet together and we'll slide the right knee over the left. Let's bring both knees over to the right side and then find the hands and just drape the hands over to the left. And we'll just hang out here for a few breaths. No forcefulness. This is a great practice to do, in front of a fireplace on a nice, cozy day where the weather kind of makes you want to stay inside and snuggle up. Inhale now, we'll come on back to the center. Prepare to switch the sides, left knee over the right, and then slide it on over. And draping your arms over to the right side. Easy does it. And this might be more intense than you expect. There can be some kind of residual tightness around the hips. If we release them one way, then the other way. Sometimes it takes a moment to recalibrate. Relax, easy does it. Make sure the mat is soft enough underneath you. If you need an extra cushion, it's totally good. Two more breaths. And then inhale, we'll come back to the center. We're going to prepare to lie down, so I'm just going to turn the blanket around. And then let's slowly lie all the way down and prepare to take a little rest. Allow the mind to quiet, the body to move into a restful space. Allow that feeling of warmth and comfort to kind of come from within. And then slowly reawaken the body lightly, starting to feel little circles in the feet, little circles in the hands. And then let's come back to bending the knees and the elbows. We'll slide on over to the right side and slowly return to a seated position. Let's close the eyes again. Hands come into prayer position, a long, deep breath in. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.